What's up, guys? If you've seen some of my other videos, I was doing some comparisons between the standard edition and the 2022 KX450SR. Got a little surprise in today. I purchased a KYB A Kit suspension from Clint Stapes over at Stapes Racing. So shout out to Clint. Let's kind of zoom in on this stuff. If it handles halfway good as it looks, I think we're going to be in business there, Carl. So, stuff is awesome. Super pumped on it. Anyways, nonetheless, I actually purchased this stuff about a month or so prior to even purchasing the Special Racer Edition. So, it'll be interesting to see the difference between these. So, primary purpose of this video is to compare the production Showa stuff that has been sprung and valved for my weight from Factory Connection to the Special Racer stuff that is currently off of the bike at the moment. Kind of sent that out to get that done. Please ignore the dirty garage. It's wintertime. We're getting ready for Daytona. If it's dirty, mind your business. Sorry. But anyways, yeah, in all seriousness, the purpose of this video is, like I said, I want to compare those. I thought it would be interesting from a average Joe's perspective on this stuff, right? I think how many of us talk about A Kit this, A Kit that, or the different things that we may want or not want. But I thought this was the elusive A Kit was interesting to kind of go in on. So again, this stuff is freaking awesome. Quality, just awesome. Really excited to get on the bike. This is the air version. This is not the spring version. I decided to go with the spring, I decided to opt out of the spring and went with the air suspension. A little bit of perspective. I'm a bigger guy, so anything I can do to save some weight helps me out substantially. It just my experience. Kind of baseline on me is 25 plus, and now hurts to say it, but I'm a 30 plus guy now too, so I guess you're only as old as you feel. But with that being said, a little bit bigger of a rider, 6'5", 235 pounds. So again, I fall way outside the realm of half the jockeys I race against, but if you're a jockey, sorry about that. But anyways, yeah, so just being an average Joe in ordering this stuff, kind of want to give my own unique perspective on it. I am not somebody whose mom and dad drove me around or towed me to the track and racing from the ages of 6, 7, 8 years old until I was 18, 19, 20 years old. Didn't really start getting into this stuff until I was about, I would say 26, 27, did a handful of races at, 21, but there's no way I was going to be able to afford all this stuff. But a little bit older now, I got some money in my pocket, so this is how we like to spend it. So really excited to get this stuff on here, getting ready to head to Daytona. Excited to give you guys a unique perspective of the conventional or the production fork that comes on here compared to the Special Racer Edition once I get that stuff back, again sprung for my weight. And then the end all be all is the A Kit that we have here. So yeah, really excited. I just always thought it would be cool to get a unique perspective from the average Joes. And there's a lot of guys out there just like us every day that race on the weekends or just have a good time with it, that want to know how this stuff performs. So I thought it would be really interesting to give you my honest, unbiased opinion. Again, mom and dad aren't buying me this stuff, and certainly sponsors aren't buying me this stuff. So it's really exciting to try this out and give you guys my perspective. So look forward to it. I already did a semi-mediocre video of the 21, I guess you could call it just the regular edition compared to the Special Racer Edition that I purchased. Nonetheless, ready to get this stuff on there, try it out, give you guys my input and a little bit of feedback. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see or what you guys think might be interesting. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.